I'm going to show you how to use School Psych AI to help you create IEP goals, objectives, accommodations, and then create a progress monitoring tracking sheet to help you keep track of everything. Let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do, make sure you hit the description down below to pull the prompting guide so that you can input the prompt, input your student data, hit submit, and then keep rolling, because I know your time is valuable. So I'm going to grab the prompt that's in that prompting guide. You're going to paste that prompt in. I'm going to hit this arrow here to expand. Then I'm going to review everything in this prompt. I went ahead and included some fictional data inside of this prompt. Just replace the fictional data with actual data about your student. You can see I'm including some strengths, some challenges, some fictional assessment data. I'm giving it a task, but also feel free to modify anything how you deem fit. I want you to pay attention where I say input your current date and end of your academic school year. That's because we're making everything time bound. And so the time of this recording is February 11th, 2026, and academic school year ends June 15th, 2026. Now that way, the model, School Psych AI, Sophia, is going to be able to look at this and then create goals based on this time frame. But again, do whatever you think fits for you. Once you've reviewed and that prompt is ready to go, all you do is hit submit. I'm going to go ahead and hit that arrow down to collapse that. And in literally seconds, our conversational chatbot has returned a response. And we see it gives us this IEP goal. Rocket Jupiter will improve reading fluency and decoding accuracy to increase independent reading performance by applying strategies to decode multi-syllabic words and read grade level text with increased speed and accuracy as measured by curriculum-based assessments and oral reading fluency probes by June 15th, 2026. And then it gives us those short-term objectives benchmarks by today. Rocket will decode and read 10 grade level multisyllabic words with 80% accuracy across 3 consecutive sessions as measured by teacher administered decoding probes. And then by March 15th, by May 1st, and then by June 15th. Again, you can modify this inside of that prompt guide. I'll give you several different time-bound options. Just make it fit for whatever you need. And then we get some classroom-based accommodations, extended time, use of audiobooks, frequent breaks, pre-teaching of vocab, then access to graphic organizers, and finally, oral reading opportunities. Now that we have the IEP goals, the objectives, and the classroom-based accommodations, I'm going to show you how to use Sophia to then create a progress monitoring tracking sheet. Once again, you're going to go back to the prompting guide document. You're going to grab the second prompt, and then you're going to paste it in. And this prompt is simple. We're giving Sophia a task, and then we're giving a purpose. The task here is just to take the information that was generated above and create a practical progress monitoring tracking sheet. I give it a brief purpose. I say what the tracker should do to support ongoing skill level progress monitoring tied directly to the goals and objectives and to be used to guide instructional decisions. Very good. And then second, Sophia has returned this progress monitoring tracking sheet for Rocket Jupiter. All right, we see that it's giving us the student name, the annual IEP goal, the monitoring frequency. This is actually really, really cool. This is cut off, but don't worry about it. I'm going to show you here in a second. Then it gives each objective, which I really like. Now, here's one of my favorite parts. We have the goals, the objectives, the accommodations, and the progress monitoring. Now what you're going to do is in this response, just click Create Document. And that's going to pop up this response directly inside of this document. And the cool part is you can edit anything that's inside of it's an editor. And so now you can edit everything that's here, right? You can delete, you can add, you can type in, you can color code, you can adjust the columns. I mean, if you can think it, you can do it. The cool part, you can print this out, you can copy, you can paste, you can export as a PDF, whatever you like. You see, in a matter of minutes, you're able to generate IEP goals, objectives, accommodations, and then progress monitoring sheets as well. Give this a try and let us know what you think. Until next time, take care, everyone.